What's up guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do the gold coins thing in the event. So it turns out that the creator program changed their minds and they did end up giving us 15,000 gold coins. So thank you so much to the creator program for doing that. I'm going to be showing you how to complete this weird grid looking thing and how you can win the SERAPH. So all you have to do here, as you can see, is spend 300 coins each time to open up these boxes. You do still win prizes from them, as you can see. Oh, I just won a Gargantua, let's go. That is actually really good. I needed one of them for my Sharanga. But yeah, guys, as you can see, once you open a horizontal line like this, oh, we got a Pantagruel as well, it says you earned a special prize, which is a rare chest. So I'll open up my rare chests at the end, but as you'll see in a moment, every time you open up a horizontal row, you do get one of these rare chests. So if I just quickly open up all these, we are getting some insane rewards here though, guys. The Pantagruel and... oh, we got a lantern as well. No way. No way I just got the Grand Balance Reactor. Oh, that's insane. Oh, I really wanted one of these as well. Oh, it gives the Titan extra health and extra damage. That is insane. I'm going to have to level those up now. So there we go. We got another one of the rare chests. So let me just open up all the rest of these. You can skip it, but that's kind of boring, guys. I want to see what I get from each of these. Oh, we got an Onslaught Reactor as well. So there we go. Another rare chest. And as you can see on the bottom of the red chest, it says open 25 cells. Which means once we've opened up all of these, we will get to get one of those as well. So I'll only be able to open, I think, 2 of the red ones, and a few of these rare ones. So there we go. We're up to 4 rare chests now. We'll just keep on going, because we're about to finish this entire grid. We are getting some insane rewards, though. Look at this. I'm going to have so much silver at the end of this. And then a Dazzler. So, once you, as you can see, you get a rare chest for doing the horizontal row and a red chest for opening all of them. So guys, that is how you do it, and then at the end you can open these, but I'm just gonna really quickly... oh, we got another one of these things. Let's go. Oh, I can't believe it. But yeah, guys, I'm very quickly gonna open up this whole thing again, just to show you again quickly. This is how you get the horizontal chests. And then at the end, we'll open up all these chests, and hopefully we'll get the SERAPH. Because that is what you're supposed to get. So there we go. We're getting a lot. This is a really... I actually like this. Because look how much good stuff I'm getting here. And we haven't even opened up the rare chest yet. I have so much Northlight components. It is crazy. So the Onslaught Reactor, another Grand Balance Reactor, more Northlight components, another rare chest, let's go. Dazzler, I wonder how it's going to be opening up the rare chests. So there we go, Northlight components, the Pantagruel. I'm going to literally make so much silver from selling all of this. Another Grand Balance Reactor. Okay, so this is the final row. This doesn't take as long as opening up the normal gold chest as well, which I find interesting. It is a different way of doing it, which I do like. This is actually really cool. So there we go, we got a Pantagruel, and finally, here we go. Rare chest and the red chest at the bottom. So this is a rare chest, here's what you can get. Hopefully I can at least get the gravity amplifier this time. And this is the legendary chest, and we should be able to get the SERAPH. So first I'll open the rare ones. Okay, so we just get this, no cards or anything. Scavenger Lantern, a full Northlight, another full Northlight. Please, can I get that gravity amplifier? Scavenger Heimdall, that'll be a lot of silver. I swear if I don't get the gravity amplifier. Yes, there we go. Finally. That took way longer to get one mothership turret. That's been like 4 events. Come on. At least we managed to get one now, though, so I can run it on my Northlight. Another Scavenger Heimdall. As you can see, the rare chest is pretty OP, so the legendary one will be good. Another gravity amplifier, and finally, a Scavenger Lantern. Okay, guys, so let's see. Can we get the SERAPH after all of that? These are the 3 ones that you can win. And there we go, guys. That is how you get the SERAPH. I'd say this has been a pretty successful tutorial on how to get the SERAPH on this new event, and we got a decay as well. So yeah, that's pretty good. So yeah, that is how you get the SERAPH. All you've got to do is open up all of those, and you should get it, because I got it on my first one straight away. I can't actually see what I've won, though, so that's a bit weird. But yeah, guys, let's take a look at the SERAPH. I think I will end up, let's just see how many of these we got first as well. 8 Pantagruels, 7 Lanterns. I'm gonna have so much silver from selling all this. That's actually crazy. How many Gargantuas did we get? 5 of them, so I can sell 4. And we got 5 Dazzlers as well. That is pretty crazy. We also managed to get 2 Scavenger Heimdalls as well. So that means I'll have had like 5 of these Titans. So I'll probably have to sell those. I can finally put the gravity amplifier on my Northlight. At last. So, where is it? There it is. Let's go. We can finally put this on. And there we go. So let's also make sure we take a look at the SERAPH that we just won. I think I'll probably put one in my museum, to be honest. Yeah, I do have a museum here of all of my retired champions and just bots with like the full weapon setups that I never leveled. So here we go. Here is my SERAPH right here. I'll put the decay weapons on it, and then we'll just leave it in the museum. So yeah, there we go, guys. That is how to get the SERAPH in the new event. It's actually pretty simple if you can get the coins, but at least you know there is a guaranteed chance of you getting it. Hopefully there'll be some good deals at the end of the event that you can get these coins from, because there usually is. But anyway, guys, if you did enjoy this opening, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.